guys, March 30th, 2021. This is when I got a call from an old crusty buzzard. I've worked for him, this guy, before. He's the guy that I had to go change that sink drain for. It had a black nipple, it was all rotted. I went back the next day because he had to clean out the closet. He's an older gent, retired. And I got a call from him last night, and he said that his heating system's kind of smells all burnt down there. It doesn't smell like, he thinks that the circulator's red hot and the thing's smells like it's burnt. That's what he told me over the phone. So I'm on my way over there first thing this morning. Didn't seem to be in a rush for me to go out there last night, so we're on our way over there now. It might be interesting. He's quite the character, this guy. He's quite the character. Trying to tell me his street, and I can't even understand what the hell he's saying. I say it, spell it slowly so I can write it down and find out how to get over there, guy. Holy shit, Molly. Anyway, maybe his dentures are falling out. I don't know. But anyway, we're going over there now and see if we can help this old buzzard out. So it's oil, huh? It's oil?
Yeah. You can smell it.
Smells like a flippin' skunk. That's a skunk.
Huh?
That's a skunk. It smells like a skunk to me. You got wildlife down here? You got wildlife down here? That smells like a skunk.
I don't... Not down here in the cellar.
You sure? We get attacked by a flippin' skunk.
No.
That's what it smells like to me.
Well, it smelled burnt yesterday. See that? My bedroom's right up here.
It smells like a skunk, guy. That doesn't smell like anything You got heat, right?
Oh, yeah. I lowered it downstairs because it's been hot.
I don't think that's anything to do with the heating system.
I think it could be.
I think it's a skunk from outside. You got a crawl space here? Yeah, you do.
Yeah, here.
How much you want to bet? There's a flipping skunk in there.
You can pull that chain. I don't know if that'll get you any more light.
Better hope you don't piss on me. That's what you don't smell that?
I can smell it, but I can't tell the difference if it's...
Your hearing aid's falling out.
Yeah, I know, because I can't put a mask on with a hearing aid. Oh. If you think that's what it is...
Yeah, because everything's working, right? All your zones are working.
Can I ask you a question while you're here?
Go ahead.
You see this,
Yeah, these aren't hot.
Huh?
These aren't hot. That's not a burnt smell. That's a skunk smell.
Okay. Well, I'll pay you for what you... This heating system has antifreeze in it.
Okay.
Recreational antifreeze. I've never been a buyer of it. My mother worked for an oil company that put...
How long's it been in the system?
Oh, quite a while.
How long? It's good for probably 5-6 years, and you got to flush it out and change it.
Oh, it's been over that.
Has it?
But what it is, I got a friend of mine says he's a contractor, builds houses. You see these things in here? It keeps the water going in.
Yeah, they rot them away.
He says
Yeah.
you get dirt in that, and keeps that valve open. What's to stop the antifreeze from going into your drinking water?
That was stuck. The feeder was stuck. No, what happens with it? It will like eat the rubbers, the antifreeze. See how it's? Let me see. See how it's eating the rubbers up there?
Yeah.
Take a look. See how it kind of gets all crusty?
Yeah.
That's what the glycol does to the gaskets.
Now, that's recreational antifreeze, right?
Say that again?
That's recreational. What you put in campers and stuff.
No, it's not. It's glycol. It's special. It's minus 100. The stuff you put in the campers is minus 50. That's for the drains.
Yeah.
The stuff you put in the heating system's different. It's minus 100. It's different stuff.
Is that... See, I don't see the reason why they did it. Because the first floor runs under a crawl space.
Right, and there's a skunk that's living in there. There's a skunk living in there. That's where that smell's coming from. Is there any entrances outside to get in?
Yeah, but they're blocked.
Where? Are you sure they're blocked?
Yeah.
Well, how's a skunk getting in here then?
I don't know. I mean, when I get up...
Let's go take a look. You got a skunk problem. It's a little stinker. Sometimes there's like vents and stuff where you know can get in.
There's one right there.
Right there you go. There's the hole right there. See it?
Oh shucks, I didn't know that.
You see that right there?
Yep,
I bet you that's where he's coming in. I can smell the little bugger. What about another one?
And it's right here.
Well, that's blocked. That's blocked.
And one on the other side of that porch.
That's blocked too. I bet he's going in the back there, underneath that hole there. I'd call an exterminator. He's got a skunk in the house. Yeah, that's good. That's gotta be it. That's gotta be it, guy.
Okay.
You got a skunk in there.
But what I don't know about that antifreeze, I don't know how much is in there.
How long has it been in there? You're not sure?
I'd say all 15 years.
Wow. Yeah, that's gotta be it. That's gotta be it right there.
I'm gonna have to block that and put some poison in. Wow.
I can smell it too. You can smell them in there. That's what it's a skunk.
Okay, when it comes to plumbing and stuff, I can't tell. It smelled like it was. It smelled like you had a belt that was binding.
There's no binding. That's a boiler down there. That's the only way he's coming in and out.
And that's the only thing that might have a smell. I thought it was circulating.
No, when I walked down there, it wasn't a burnt smell. It was a skunk smell. There's a difference. I know. I've been doing it my whole life, right? I know what the smell smells like. You're losing your hearing aid again.
Yeah, I know, because they can't fit on with it. I'm getting some new ones.
What the hell you got going on here? You got wires everywhere.
Oh, I'm a ham radio operator.
Is that what that is?
Yeah, I talked to Europe.
You talked to Europe?
Oh, yeah.
Oh, yeah, you got stuff everywhere here, huh? Look at that one. Holy shit, that one looks like it's an upside-down umbrella.
Yeah, it's called an X-beam.
And you can talk to Europe from that?
Oh, yeah, I have no trouble.
No, does that spin? That thing's got a motor on it.
Yeah. I talked to Europe from my car.
No shit, huh?
I sit my car for his Dunkin' Donuts on Dartmouth Street.
Look at that shit.
And I talked to a guy one night, and I says, Alex.
Oh, you got shit everywhere over here.
I says, that's my signal.
I could
He
hang.
says,
You could
be in Moscow. He says, it's a good signal.
You could hang your clothes off this stuff.
Yep.
You know.
And I get that 43-foot vertical.
Well, what's that one? Beware voltage.
Well, that's RF voltage.
RF?
That's like any two-way radio. If you grab that antenna while the guy's got his hands on the microphone, you get what you call RF burns.
You're gonna get zapped?
You get RF burns, it burns like a microwave. Burns
Look at all
from
them
the inside
wires.
out.
That's kind of odd, huh?
Huh?
I never knew nothing about it.
I did all this.
You did all this?
Yeah, I went to school for it.
Oh, that's way up, huh? Holy shit.
I bought that from a friend of mine for $100.
No shit.
Because his wife likes the hobby. Did you see these little wires?
Yeah, that's
They go
grounded.
on the ground. They go off the ground radios.
The ground radio.
Ground.
No shit, huh?
She didn't want it. See them wires in the lawn. I said, you don't see them in the lawn.
Boy, that was a different call, guy. I mean, how many times you go to a call when you get a smell and it's a skunk?
Yeah, I didn't know.
Not too many.
I sleep right here.
Yeah,
So I woke up and I said, oh, gee, don't tell me I got a fire.
No.
The only thing I didn't check was the...
Yeah, so you got flow checks here. And you got purge valves right here. So yeah, we could definitely do it. Stuff's not cheap.
No, I know. I had it popped in once.
Stuff's not cheap. Let me find out how much a couple of buckets of it is, and we'll I'll get back to you on it.
Yeah.
You know, that only has to be done by next winter when it gets cold out. Flush it out. You know.
Yeah.
Wouldn't hurt to flush it all out, get it all out of the system, because the shit gets acidic.
Yeah. It'll lead through.
So you got somebody doing the burner cleaning here, yeah?
Yeah.
All right.
I didn't know you at the time. I wanted to give you the whole dang yard.
Yeah, holy shit, guy. Unbelievable.
You put computers on furnaces when you tune them up.
Yeah.
I never heard of that.
Well, it's a combustion analysis to check it. You know?
My buddy had I don't know who the guy was. He called the plumber that had the only motors I got would be the circling, but maybe the impeller.
Yeah, I can smell the skunk.
Well, I can smell skunk.
As soon as you come in down there, you can smell it. So he's living under your house. As soon as you go down the bottom of the stairs, right?
Yeah.
You can smell it from that entrance, that hole. So he's got to be living in here, you know.
I'm gonna go to the hardware store up the street. Hey.
You got to get one. They do have a hot that's for a skunk. It's got plastic sides, so he can't squirt you.
Yeah.
They make them because I bought a couple for my house. They're made for skunks.
Yeah.
This is where I just walked in the house and I could smell the skunk in here too. So he's living underneath your house here.
Yeah.
I can smell it. That's a skunk smell. Maybe you need to call an exterminator.
Yeah.
He'll spank you real hard, that guy. Yeah, you can smell the flipping skunk. I don't know if you guys remember this job, but this was... We had to replace that. Crazy. The skunk. It's a stinker. It's a little stinker. It's a little stinker.
That it is.
He's living under your house here. This is right where the hole was over here, coming in. Right there behind you.
Well.
Like I just left that job. As soon as I went down that guy's cellar stairs, I could smell the skunk. And then on the left side of that cellar, he's got like another half a house that's all crawl space. And I can show you the hole on the other side. And when I went into his house later on the video, as soon as I walked in the door, I could smell the skunk inside the house. So he's got it under that crawl space. There's a skunk living under there. And it's got a unique smell of skunk. Well, he didn't have a problem with his heating system. He had a problem with a skunk being a squatter. I don't know if it's dead under there. I mean, that's what you call a real crawl space. I mean, maybe like a foot under the house at the most. G.I. Joe under that sucker. I mean, I ain't crawling under there. He needs to get an exterminator over there. You don't need a heating man. He's an exterminator. I gotta get him a price on, he's got glycol in the system. Been in there 15 years. Gotta be flushed out and put some new stuff in, but I gotta call for a price of that shit. It's not cheap. That stuff's not cheap, and everything's gone skyrocketing lately, so I don't like to shoot from the hip with pricing. But yeah, it's a little stinker, mama. Oh yeah, it's a skunk. I mean, things never cease to amaze me, the stuff I see. Unbelievable. That's why people that subscribe to this channel see some crazy shit. probably you never experience that out in the real world, unless you're out in the field. It's a little stinker, Molly. It's a stinker. Yeah, we don't want no stinkers.